Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform, which is RemotePC and BeyondTrust. So let's get started with a quick analysis. RemotePC in 2025 stands out as a budget-friendly, user-friendly remote desktop solution designed for individual, small times, and even schools. It supports always-on access, file transfer, remote printing, and multi-platform capabilities for Windows, macOS, Linux, and mobile. It's quick to deploy and work well for users who need reliable access to their computers without a complicated setup. However, it lacks some of the deep enterprise-level security and the IT support features found in the high-end solution. So talking about BeyondTrust, on the other hand, is a premium remote support platform made for large businesses and IT departments. It offers advanced security like section recording, privileged access control, and a robust audit log. It's built for secure internal with a ITSM tools and a compliance workflow. BeyondTrust is more complex and expensive than RemotePC, but offer an unmatched control for enterprise IT environment. And here's the viral conclusion. So choose the RemotePC if you want a simple, affordable remote desktop solution by general access, or go with BeyondTrust if you need a powerful, secure, enterprise-grade remote support platform with a full IT management tools. And that's it.